Hey guys, welcome back. It has been a hot minute since I have done a talk through video. I've been super busy, and obviously I have not been dedicated to my videos for a while. I've been super busy, like I said, and I just haven't had time to sit down and film and talk with you guys. And if I have filmed, they've been pre-recorded videos and they've been done so quickly because I want to try to get them done and up. And it did take me a while to post a video a couple weeks ago. It took me forever because I've been in like a creative rut lately. I haven't been able to come up with any new ideas. I haven't been motivated to do anything. So hopefully I can get out of that rut very soon because it sucks, and I want to produce content for you guys and I want to get stuff out there, but at the same time, if I'm not feeling it, you can't feel it either, and I don't want to post something that I'm not 100% dedicated to and confident in, because I want you guys to love it and I want myself to like it as well. I do want to post stuff that you guys enjoy watching. So with that being said, I am trying to get out of this rut, but videos will be coming soon, and I will be busy for the next couple weeks, probably about 6 to 8 weeks. So videos are going to be very sporadic as to when they're posted, but I will try to keep you guys updated on that. So with all that being said, this video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. I've posted another one of these videos to my channel before. I love watching them. I don't know how many people actually enjoy watching them, but I do, so I figured I would go ahead and post this for those of you who do enjoy it. Those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly makeup subscription. You get products that are makeup and beauty related, and it comes with a little card and a theme, and it'll tell you all the prices on here. I am actually really impressed with their cards because they have been, this is all bent because I stepped on it, but they have been upping their cards, and by that I mean they've been making them look more appealing to the eye, which I like. This month's theme is BoxyBash, and I have 6 products to share with you guys, and there are 2 coupon codes in here. So I will also leave the coupon codes for those of you who maybe aren't interested in purchasing the box, but maybe like the brand that the coupons are for, and you can hit that up. So let me just get all the stuff out here. So I would prefer to try these things on because I feel like it just works better for me, and I feel like you guys maybe like it more if I try it on because it's more interesting. It looks like in the box this month. Also today I am going to be trying out the Morphe Highlight and Contour Beauty Sponge. I've been wanting to try this for a while, and I actually got it a while ago, but I just haven't used it yet. Honestly, I didn't want to dirty it because I'm lazy and I don't wash them as much as I should. Let me go get this wet. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be trying is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. It says it is a lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. This retails for $38. The directions say apply every morning on a clean face, ideal to prime skin for foundation application. So I guess you can even use it, even if you're not going to be applying foundation, you can still use it. It's kind of hard to squeeze out of the tube. I don't know how much I'm going to really need, but it's a disgusting, I don't know if you can see that. It's like a disgusting brown color, but that could be good or bad. This reminds me of something. Kind of smells like a green tea smell. It's not a silicone primer. It's more of like the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Green Primer, if anybody's ever tried that. It's got a similar consistency. I'm just going to look and see if it's actually filling in like pores. It does go on like a oxidized foundation color. I'm just going to rub some on my forehead and see if that blurs anything out, because I do have a lot of pores, and that's where most of my oil comes from, is on my forehead. It did fill in the pores on my forehead, but it does kind of look like it's sticking, like it's clinging to the dry patches that I have, but we'll go ahead and give it a try. I really don't like that I have to apply so much to get any effect from it. I feel like you have to apply a lot to get any type of blurring on the skin. I'm going to go with the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Long Wearing Illuminating Foundation. This is in the shade Fair. This is a liquid foundation. It does come with a pump. I've used this before. It does, like I said, it does say it's the shade Fair. It's definitely not fair. I'm pretty starting to get pretty tan right now, and it seems to work pretty good for me. When I was really pale, it was super dark, so I don't know that I really care for that. Why do makeup companies make a foundation, call it fair, when it's for tan skin? So after applying foundation, the next thing, two things actually that I'm going to try. This is the Pure Sculptor palette. This says it is a 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. This retails for $30. Really pretty shades, really pretty shades. I will probably use this one as eyeshadow, but I'll definitely be using this one to contour. And actually, I'm going to also use another product that came in the box, and it will be this brush right here. This is the Synthetica P12 face brush with synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control. The P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. This retails for $27. I don't know how pigmented this is, but I'm sure it is very pigmented. I'm just going to dip into the shade Inventor right here. Don't know if it's this brush, but look how this applies. Like, look how bad. I don't know that this brush works, so actually I'm gonna try a fluffy brush from Real Techniques next. So, being that I've used 3 different brushes, it's definitely the palette. So I'm thinking maybe this brush would be good for like another type of bronzer. Definitely a really nice brush. I don't think it was the brush. I just think that this has so much kick up and it's so pigmented that literally even when you tap your brush off, it's there. It's really there. So next I'm going to go in with this highlight shade right here. I'm going to use this one. It's called Originator. I'm just going to use this one because it's lighter than that one. I'm just going to use this e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush. This highlight's not completely terrible, but I personally don't like it just because, and I'll even swatch it for you, it's very glittery. And I like a more natural highlight. I don't know if you can tell there, it's super glittery. You can see like the specks of glitter in it. I just don't like glittery highlights. I like smooth, natural, radiant looking highlights. It was actually so bright and glittery, I had to go in with my beauty blender and just kind of tap over everywhere that I put the highlight just to kind of tone it down because it was like bam glitter, and I don't like that. It would be a good eyeshadow though, so I might actually go ahead and do an eye look with that. I'm just going to use this as a transition shade. It obviously wasn't in the box, but I need a transition shade to get this eye look going. I'm going to go in just with that shade Inventor, the shade that I used for contouring, and I'm just going to darken that up. Then I'm going to go in with that, actually I'm going to go in with this shade, Trailblazer. It's the darker highlighting shade that I didn't use. I'm just going to see what that looks like without, oh that's nice, just without any spray, but actually I'm extra, so I am going to spray it with some setting powder, what I have left of it anyways. Wow. I would definitely recommend setting that with a spray like that because it actually looks really nice. I'm actually going to go in with the shade Originator on my finger and just kind of pack that over top of Trailblazer. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and do my brows. I'm going to be using this brush trio. This is the same brand as the other brush. This is Aesthetica 3-piece eye trio. The Aesthetica Trio series come with an angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine-tipped eyeliner brush. A convenient 3-in-1 used for a wide variety of looks, from a subtle wing to a dramatic cat eye. Use the brow brush for fuller and more defined brows. These 3 retail for $45. I'm just going to use for my brows the Milani Soft Brown brow pomade. This is probably dried up as crap, but whatever. This brush is very nice. Even though I don't have much product, it is distributing it very evenly. I don't know how this works, but next I'm going to be drying the Pretty Vulgar Ink Gel Liner. This highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. Its creamy and water resistant formula allows for smooth application that stays in place all day. This retails for $24. The shit better be good. Do I just dip it in? How does this work? Not bad. I am going to put it in my waterline too. Finally, I am trying the Beauty Creations Liquid Lip Gloss. Beauty Creations Matte Liquid Lip Gloss is specially formulated to provide full coverage that dries to a seamless, smooth, and matte finish. Its lightweight application is long wearing for an effortless lip color that complements all skin tones. Retails for $10, and this is the shade Sweetheart. Pop that out of there. This has a really good smell. It reminds me of the Strawberry Shortcake movies, like how their movie cases were always scented. The applicator on this makes it super easy to apply. I freaking love that. So this month's box came to a total of over $170, and you only pay $21 a month for the box, so you really cannot beat that. Also, just for those of you who are interested in the 2 coupon codes that came with this month's box, there's one for Cover FX, which is actually the same brand that the primer was from. They are offering 20% off your next purchase using the code BOXY, capital BOXY. This one ends June 15th. One offer per customer, cannot be combined with any other promotions, and it is for U.S. residents only. Kits and value sets are excluded, just an FYI there. And the next one is Pure, the Complexion Authority, which is the same brand that the face palette was from. This one is you can shop and save on any order during the month of May and get 15% off your next purchase. So this one is coming up to an end very soon. So if you want to order something, order it soon. This code is BoxyMay, so it's all caps, BOXYMAY. So I hope you guys enjoyed this month's box. I did, and even though we hit some ruts along the way, we finished it. We got this makeup look out of it, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!